8:45, everybody. On a Saturday morning, we have had a heavy snow squall roll through Grand Rapids, as you know, over the past hour or so, dropping probably on the order of an inch and a half, 2 inches or so in a short period of time. And it is still coming down locally. So going back to yesterday afternoon and evening, would think that there are some people out there that have gotten 3-4 inches of snow, yes, of this fluff, and the main roadways there in downtown Grand Rapids are snow covered and very slippery. It is not a wide swath that has been seeing this heavy snow, but it has included right through the heart of GR. Take a look at the visibilities around the region from Battle Creek to Stanton. Nothing too impressive there. Even Comstock Park, which is not far from downtown Grand Rapids. And we are just looking at really just snow showery activity as opposed to downright squally activity. And the width of this snow band is on the order of just a few miles in terms of the intense snow. We'll get back to that radar in a second. Very cold air in northern Canada. There's going to be a lot of things to talk about over the next several days, one of which will be, I think, a chunk of bitterly cold air that tries to descend upon the Midwest for Friday and Saturday of this coming week. Obviously, that's still several days away. Some of the details can change with that, but we haven't been bitterly cold this winter very much. There may be a phase of that to contend with by, say, Friday, Saturday. Good thing is it won't last a real long time, but it may become bone chilling at that point down the road. Right now, there's a very cold lobe, but it doesn't really come atop us here in West Michigan. We kind of stay in our upper 20s to lower to mid 30s, it looks like, for the next several days. 23 at 9 a.m., 28 and 31. Mostly cloudy skies likely will be around here. I-96 southward to I-94. This is where this convergence zone has been, causing clouds and these embedded snow squalls ever since yesterday afternoon and evening. You go off to the north, we've had breaks in the clouds. Temperatures dropping down into the teens for Big Rapids, Mount Pleasant, and Fremont. Southward, it's even been a little bit cooler as well. There hasn't been much snow, Three Rivers over to Coldwater, but again, I-94 to I-96. Snow squalls coming and going, and we had even a couple there early yesterday afternoon around Holland, down to South Haven, and then shifting towards Kalamazoo. Reduced visibilities, what was it, 1, 2 in the afternoon yesterday? Most of us didn't see it, but a lot of us have gotten the snow in the overnight, so likely doing a little snow shoveling, and we're going to do some more, I think, by tomorrow afternoon. Snow develops Sunday afternoon. It's going to come back, another clipper, folks, and that could mean another round of a few inches widespread around the region. We'll track another system midweek. Details unclear later Wednesday into Thursday, but that could be something to follow as well. Could be snow, wintry mix, or even a change over to rain if the system tracks far enough west. Look at this zone, though, here, where we continue to see snow showers and snow squalls training over the same area. There's a stationary boundary, sort of like in summertime, a boundary with convective elements moving along it. Not that common, I wouldn't say, and it looks like it's lake effect just to the eye, but it's not. It's just this boundary and a weak area of low pressure to the south causing what we're seeing right now. Additional flurries, couple snow showers, even this afternoon, folks. It doesn't want to shut down completely, but the heavy nature that we've had recently, I think that does shut down. Overnight tonight, cloudy. There's a look at the model. They're having a tough time picking up on these micro scale elements of the past 12 to 24 hours, but the next system that comes in is wider spread. Models have a good handle on that, and I can tell you between about noon tomorrow and 7 or 8 in the evening, we're going to get another 2 to 3 inches or so sweeping on through, and there is the European model's take. I think even a little bit more than the model's suggesting. Could get a good burst there on Sunday afternoon. Temperatures in the 30s. We will dip down, though. Brody and Sarah, I'm talking really cold. Temps in the teens by Friday.